Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Tips. In today's video I am gonna share with you again face mask. You need a spoon of oats, spoon of curd, half of tomato and pinch of haldi. Take a Right now guys I am going to apply this face pack on my all over face, and you are already seeing a clip how I make it. So simply I am putting my brush into this pack. And guys, I will mention all the details regarding this pack and benefits about this pack on the screen, so you can see over there. Guys, home remedies face pack are really good for our skin. We are ignore so many times and keep ignoring these packs in our day-to-day life. But if you are going to use these packs on every weekly and twice in a week in your regular life, then you can see effect on your face, and you will definitely love doing this. Right now guys, I have applied this face pack all over my face, so you can see. I am giving you a tip. Please do not use too much haldi in this pack, otherwise you will get after this face pack red off, then your skin look like a yellow, pale yellow. So do not use too much haldi in it. So guys, we have to wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we will remove this face pack. So stay tuned with me, and you have to see and you have to watch how I will remove this face pack. So let's wait for 10 minutes. Guys, after 10 minutes you have to rub your face like you are doing a scrub. These are natural scrub. So you have to scrub your face very gently motion. Guys, if your face scrub dry too much on your skin, then do not scrub your face. Do one thing, you have to take a rose water and in a spray bottle and spray rose water on your face. Then scrub your face in a very gently motion. So it will help to remove your dead skin cells from your face. And these all are very natural product. It will not become a kind of harm to your skin. So because these are so natural product and available in everyone's house, so you can make a paste and apply on your skin whenever you have a time. On a week you can apply in a night at the time of your watching movies. So taking a bath before 10 minutes you can apply on your face, all over your face. So it will too much handy. Then you have to push and you have to save your time for your skincare routine, because skincare is the most important for your skin. Because good food, good water, good food and sufficient amount of water if you drink, then it is really good. But still you have to at least apply a face pack once a week in your regular daily life. If you have more than a time, then you can apply it twice in a week as per your choice. Now you have to scrub your face, and after scrub I am going to wash my face. Now guys, I am using Body Shop Vitamin E toner. You can use any which you have and directly apply on your face. It will help to tighten your pores. Now I am applying a lip balm. And you can use any day cream and moisturizer on your face. Guys, moisturizer and toner is very important part of your life. Please do not skip it if you want a good and healthy skin. You can apply this face pack twice in a week and once in a week as per your choice. Guys, if you like this video, please like my video, subscribe my channel. If you do, please hit the bell icon and share with your friends.